Welcome to PTC Creo software. PTC Creo is a full CAD, CAE, CAM, software. This is ribbon. The ribbon contains command buttons organized in a set of tabs. On each tab, the related buttons are grouped. This is model tree. You can hide and show it with this icon. Test it and try to do it. It is graphic window. You can see it. And graphics toolbar. The graphics toolbar is embedded at the top of the graphics window. The buttons on the toolbar control the display of graphics. OK. Now we want to test its commands. First command is refit. We have a simple 3D model. Next command is zoom in. Make a window and do it. Next is display style. Test all of its commands. Wireframe. Show the model as wireframe display. And next is hidden line. Test it and rotate the model. Next one is no hidden. Again test it. OK. Good. The next display style is shading. Now we want to explain the mouse shortcuts, to zoom in and zoom out. It's enough to rolling the mouse wheel in top and down directions to do it. To rotate the model, it's enough to press middle button of the mouse and drag it. It's very simple. Test it more and more. To pan a model, press and hold the Shift button in keyboard. And then press middle button of the mouse.